Well, here we are, the Bobbsey twins. There's Pete. And there's Trevor.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Alright, we started welding our top on. If you look over here, Minnie, you can see that. And what we're doing, we're taking a step at a time. Trevor, over here is where we're at, sir. So I need to get my bullhorn out.
No. How can you talk through the thing like?
You just keep talking.
I don't know.
Shouldn't have got it. I shouldn't have fucking done it. And now it's going to take a month for them to figure out how to use it. Did you hear that, Minnie? It's going to take them a month to figure out how to use it the right way. All you got to do is this here. Look. See? That's it. You don't go like this, and then it's, oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, okay, my face is protected now. I'm a protected guy. Okay. Like this, bud.
I can't see myself, that's why.
You can't see yourself. What do you mean see yourself?
I can't see myself in the face.
What's he talking about?
He needs a mirror.
Okay, that's better. Now
Okay, now you can see yourself. See, now you're looking in the screen here, you can see. Okay?
It's better, that's better.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you want to wear it like this? Look, like this?
Like
Or do you want to wear it like this, like a frog would do? Okay, how you doing there, buddy? How you doing? How do you want to do it? You tell me. So we can get to work. You tell me how we can do it.
The right way.
Which is how?
Up here?
Right there. See? Now, did you learn how to do it in less than a month?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Pete, why is it leaning up? Why is it going up?
Oh my God. What?
Why is it going up? No, why is it thinking?
Don't move your head. There you go.
Squeezing my jaws.
Okay. Leave it right there. All it's doing is protecting your face from sparks.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, what we're doing here is we went ahead and we welded this right here, if you look right here. Now, take in mind this is a used top, okay, and it's coming out very nicely. And what I did when I was welding it, I went ahead and I took my clamps, okay, and I'm going to show you on the other side, and I clamped it down in various sections and I welded it as I was clamping it. Now, what's very important when doing this is, from the factory, this is spot welded straight across. Of course, you can see where we got ripped metal out here, and you know, it's very, very old and deteriorated. So what I did is I went ahead and welded straight across, and I welded all up in there so moisture won't get up under there. And then I came back and I spot welded all the welds that were in there. Now, right now it looks a little sloppy due to the fact that we're using old steel with old steel and we're trying to weld it all together. That's why we're going to come back and grind it down, then we'll double check it and go back in. But what's real important is when you're welding, a lot of these spot welds were right up next to the edge right here. If you look right here, can you see that, Minnie? And what happens when you're welding that, it'll start warping that, see? So as you're welding, you want to take your hammer while the metal's still hot, and you want to go ahead and pound that back in because the metal will start shrinking and expanding, okay? And then what'll happen, it'll start doing this on you. And when you're welding, you want to start, maybe put a spot weld here, then come up here, and you want to crisscross your pattern back and forth. So what I'm going to do now, this is actually all I've welded so far. I'm going to take it step by step, okay, because we got Swamper in the back here supervising, and it's very hard So we're going to go ahead and take our brand new face shield. It's always important to always have the proper, what? Safety equipment.
It's on. It's on, right?
I know. That's great.
Are you surprised?
Kind of. Look at inside here, you can see where I grinded that, and I took my grinder and I'm using a nice clean cut squared off grinder, okay, that's not rounded. This is a brand new one, so I can get right up next to that edge because I had to do some welds right up next to it. You can see that that's going to be nice and clean. Am I right, Minnie?
Yep, looks good.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grind all this down. We went over here, then I'll spot weld all this side up. I'll come back down the other side and this way, and then the top should be done. Now, if I wasn't showing everybody out there how to do this, I would have done it a little bit different. I would have just made one whole piece here and welded to this itself. But I'm showing you how to do it the proper way if you were going to restore your car professionally, okay? What you would do is you'd actually make the piece, okay, the quarter panel section separate from the top section, see? If you look right there, you can see that fits in there. I had it where it fit just right. Let's see here. Well, anyway, it fits in there right. Okay, do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so to do it the proper way, the professional way, you would actually go ahead and make this piece separate and then make another piece that would overlap this, so then it would be professionally made proper. Now I also took my flange tool. If you can catch the light the right way, you can see I put a flange on there. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
And the flange isn't as big as this, but it's big enough so when we make this piece right here come around, it's going to be flush mounted. So yeah, that's how much rot was on this quarter panel that I had to make. Started out with a little piece this big, and then we had to add another piece, and I decided to go ahead and make a new one. So we're going to put that in last after we get all this in. Now when I bought this roof, they had cut this out right in this area so they can get the whole quarter panel off of it. So we'll have to make this little section here too. But basically what you want to do is just take your time and weld that up. Now this applies to any type of, what, Swampy? Okay. Any type of welding. Once we're done with that, we'll come back and double check it. And I can see right here where there's some holes right here. If you look right here, Minnie. Excuse me, I got a cold. You can see right in that little area right there, and there's one right there. So when I grind that down, I'll come back and I'll fill those in. Because it's very important to always, there we go. It's very important to make sure that you seal up the entrance that goes inside the car on the corner there. So we'll be back later. I got to get this grinded. We're going to go ahead and spot weld that side. And that's about it. Do you got anything to say, Trevor, besides nothing?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
All right. We'll see you later. Bye.
When I get it done.
Well, I'd like to get it done too, so let's get it done. Okay, baby, you can turn it off now. Thank you. That's all.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.